Hello, everyone. My name is Tavondia Williams Burdett, and this is my fifth nurse educator course at UNC Wilmington. I started back in the May cohort, so of course it's very fast paced, but I'm really enjoying it. I live in Greenville, North Carolina, and I work full time as a nursing instructor at the local community college here. I'm beginning my 10th year as a nursing instructor, and while it is the hardest job I have ever had, it is also my absolute favorite job. I obtained a master's degree in health education and promotion from East Carolina University 10 years ago, and I decided to go back and get my MSN because I truly believe in lifelong learning, and I thought that having an MSN would also just better serve my students and help me just be a better nurse educator. Other than public health, my other background is also in cardiovascular and thoracic surgery. It is pulmonary medicine and also critical care. Um, Obviously, I love going back to school. I love school because I've got two bachelor's degrees. My first bachelor's degree was in zoology from North Carolina State University in Raleigh. Yay, Wolfpack. And then I went back, changed my mind about what I wanted to do, and then I went back and got my BSN from UNC Chapel Hill. So while state is my true love, I will pull for Carolina if I absolutely have to. See, I don't have a lot of free time, but of course, in my spare time, I do enjoy watching sports. In fact, my NFL Fantasy League draft was last night, so I'm hoping that I will do well. I love watching movies, especially Marvel movies, and I also enjoy crocheting. Crocheting is a great stress reliever, and I need that in my life, um, just like many of you, I'm sure. So I look forward to all the discussion boards that we're going to have and working with you, and best wishes to you. Thank you.